everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So if you know me, you know I love switching things up in my home. I love switching up my furniture, I love switching up my styling, my decor. It helps keep things fresh and interesting around the home. So when the team at Samsung Australia reached out and asked if I would be interested in sharing some styling ideas for their beautiful The SERIF TV, of course I jumped at the chance. The SERIF TV offers you endless styling options. It is absolutely beautiful and it is so flexible with the different ways you can style it. I have styled this TV up in 3 ways that I'm going to be sharing with you today, so let's get straight into the video. First up, we're utilising the legs that come with the TV, which adds a world of flexibility and options for where you can position your TV in a room. With the SERIF TV on its legs, you can place the TV in a corner, against a wall, or as the back of the unit is completely encased with a cover, you can even place the TV with its back in view as it looks seamless from any angle. The SERIF TV comes with a cable cover that clips onto one of the legs to make cable management a breeze. This is a great feature as it helps to keep the cords under control and minimize that visual clutter of having cords and cables. If you're limited with wall space to place the TV against, this option also allows you to place the TV against a window. With the SERIF on its legs, you can easily add a number of styling and decor pieces to the sides of the TV, like this taller bookshelf that I've used to showcase some of my favourite decor pieces. In fact, in this look, I've used the shelves as an expression of my vision board for my intentions and goals for the year, with each styling piece representing a goal or a habit that I am working towards. I love this as not only is it beautiful to look at, but it's a daily visual reminder of the things I am grateful for and working towards in life. That's one thing I always like to incorporate when styling our home. It's not just about mindless placement of knickknacks and decor pieces, but an intentional, curated collection of meaningful pieces that bring joy to our day. Another great feature of the SERIF TV is the Ambient mode, which allows you to select from a huge catalogue of background images and scenes, which transform what is traditionally a big black box in the centre of your living room into a stunning piece of art. It truly is beautiful to have this feature on. The next styling look I have for you is a minimal look using a traditional buffet style cabinet. This option is great as it allows the top shelf to hold the TV with room for a few styling pieces, as well as hidden storage in the cupboards and drawers underneath. The added bonus of this setup is that it easily hides cords and cables from lamps, for example, as well as TV aerial cables, which can be unsightly and sometimes tricky to disguise. The SERIF TV comes with a fun feature called Routines that I've been using. It's actually been helping me keep on track with my productivity this year since being back at work. Using the SmartThings app that allows you to set up your TV, you can set the TV to go into different modes at set times of the day. In the mornings, you can set the TV to turn on at a certain time with a display of things like a calendar with the day, date and time, a weather icon letting you know what the day holds, as well as the option to have the TV go into relaxation mode with calming background scenes. This is a great reminder for me as I work from home to take a break at set times, so I've definitely loved using this feature. It's also great that the TV has all your favourite streaming services and apps available, so you can watch all your favourite Netflix, Binge, Stan, as well as YouTube of course, directly from the TV without the need for a third-party device. What do you think, Freddie? Is it good? Does it get the Freddie tick of approval? Does it get Freddie's tick of approval? I think we're going to have a lot of fun this year being able to switch up the style of our living room with so many ways with the SERIF TV from Samsung. What do you want to watch? What do you want to watch, Freddie Bear? Want to watch Hotel for Dogs? No, Pet Cemetery. No, too scary for you. That's too scary for you, Freddie Bear. You can't watch a horror movie. The last look I have to share with you is one that I'm calling the Scandi look. Using an oversized coffee table as a TV bench, this is a great option if you have a smaller size living room. Although the coffee table is generous in size, it isn't as big and bulky as traditional media cabinets can be. It still allows plenty of room to hold the SERIF TV and has a shelf to add decor. The side view of the TV is the shape of the letter I when written in serif font, which effectively makes the top of the TV its own inbuilt styling shelf, allowing you to add a touch of your own personal style with your decor pieces. This has to be one of my favourite features of the SERIF TV, as it gives you endless opportunities to personalise your TV with endless styling options. I loved the look of this setup, and with the lower height of our sofas, it gave the perfect viewing level for watching TV. Okay guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and playing along as we styled up the TV in 3 very different ways. Let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is. As you can see, this is the styling option that we are going to be sticking with for now, but as Jake, my eldest son, said, we really need to leave it in place for, you know, a couple of weeks or so to see which one we like the best. So that is definitely what we're going to be doing. In the next couple of months, you will see all the different styling options, probably a few more as well thrown in for fun in the living room as we continue to switch things around just to, like I said, keep things fresh and interesting. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content like this. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.